J babies, how are you? And welcome back to the channel. Okay, y'all, so I am back with an update on Allove hair. I did a video on it some time ago, and I wanted to come back and update you. Plus, to also, y'all, I think I came up with like maybe 3 or 4 styles that I wore like 2 of those styles, and I will let you know what styles. I wore the 2 ponytails, and I also wore the I wore the 2 ponytails, and I also wore the one I'm going to twist up and put a bun on the side. I had wore that. So I really like those 2 styles. But this is Allove hair, and this is the bag I showed y'all before that they give to you, the nice silky packaging that they give to you. So what I did was came up with some styles, and I was like, you know what? I need to come and show my girls because it's a lot that you could do with your loose deep wave hair. So this is the loose deep wave hair, and it is a 4x4 closure only. No frontal, y'all. Yeah, I remember. It was a video with me telling y'all, thank God for closures, because honey, frontals just take so much. So I think I was saying that, and some of you guys was like, yeah, thank God for closures again. So it's in that video, and I will probably link it down below. That way you can see it. I hope I don't forget. Please, girl J, don't forget. But anyway, this is Allove hair, 4x4 loose deep wave hair. Y'all, she's wet because I'm trying out the styles, and I wanted to like bring her back. And this is how she is, and she snaps back with them curls, honey. I don't have nothing but water in her. Nothing but water, and she is just gorgeous. Okay, so since I've been wearing her, what have I experienced with her? Well, what I've experienced with her is that she do, like if you just wet her and don't put like mousse on her or whatever, she will get bigger. So if you want to keep like that nice straight tame look, then just wet her, put some mousse on her, probably a little bit of eco styling gel. I was getting ready to get it, but I can't. A little eco styling gel on her, and she will stay straight down for you, and she would not like get bigger. But when she get bigger, honey, she just look fabulous. But I know certain times we don't want a big hair, like if you know, all the time for the different things we doing. So that's the reason why I'm saying if you want to keep her tame, keep her tame. But if you want to let her loose, honey, she can come out, she can be a real lion. It's okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead on and get into the video, because there is no cons at all. I love hair. I just love this hair so much because it's long lasting, and the waves just snap back in. I didn't do nothing to her but wet her, and she snaps back, honey, real quick. Okay, so if you would like to know the styles that you see on the thumbnail that I did, how I got them, then just please keep on watching. Okay, babies, I am at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried the best that I could, y'all, to be able to put them styles together. Okay, so it's not like hard styles, you know what I'm saying? It's just like little styles that you may have in mind. You may not want to wear your hair down all the time. You may want to have it up a little. So I'm just giving you like little ideas and things like that that you could be able to do with your hair. So, like I said, that is Allove hair. You can call it Allove, Allove, or Allove. I call it Allove because, honey, I just love this hair. This hair is beautiful. It is so beautiful. So I will have down some links down below if you would like to purchase this hair, or if you would like to just purchase it for somebody else, or if you would just like to see what other hairstyles, styles that they have. You know, you can just be able to just go online and just see what they have, y'all. And it's affordable. It's not expensive at all. Like I said, this is a 24-inch right here. And she is getting dry now. So I'm excited because I want her to be just a little bit bigger. And what I'm going to do is tonight, what you can do also, let me also add this into the video. What you can do to, like, when you're getting ready to go to bed, what you want to do is just like kind of like wet her up. Y'all, I'm adding extra stuff in here, ain't I? Yeah, that's what I do. Okay. So, I'm going to go here on and grab my Cantu, the mousse, and I'm just going to put the mousse on her. This is how I sleep with her at night. I thought that this would be something really nice to add to it. Because everybody don't know how to take care of deep wave hair or loose deep hair or loose wave hair, deep wave, whatever, honey. But I'm starting to like curly hair a whole lot more than straight. I love straight hair, y'all, though. Don't get me wrong. But this is so easy to manage for me. So this is what I do at night. Just go ahead on and basically just wet her down. Put some mousse on her. I don't want her extra hard, so that's what I do. Oh, y'all, far as the shedding, I haven't really gotten a lot of shedding. I have got some shedding, but it's not like, you know, shedding whiz, though, it really bothers me. It don't bother me at all. So I'm okay with that. And I just love this hair. And what I do with the ends, I don't go all the way to the end. I basically just, after I get to the end, I actually just wait till it gets really small. And then when it gets really small, what I do is kind of curl it up like that. Ball it up like that. And let it sit. And then I do the other side. Get my mousse. This is how much mousse I'm putting in here. I'm not putting a lot of mousse in it at all. But just enough to get her manageable, honey, in her ends, definitely. Put something on her ends. And we're just going to just plait her on up. You can also do a braid if you want to. Some people may braid it across that way, but I don't want the pattern to go that way. I want the pattern to go straight down. That's the reason why I just put a plait in her. And the plait don't have to be really big or anything like that. As long as you plait her. And that's all you have to do. I hope you guys been enjoying your new year. And I'm almost down to the end. But this is what I do. And even if, like, during the day, sometimes I will leave it plait from overnight. And I will just let it just wave up during the day. Okay, guys, I went and got a bonnet. So what I do is that I'll just put it up like this. And I'll pretty much, oh, my bonnet needs to be cleaned. Excuse the bonnet, honey. And I just go ahead on and just get this hair up in here, honey, like so. This is how I go ahead on and go put her up. And when I wake up in the morning, let's just say like it's morning. I wake up in the morning and I just get her out, honey, and just take her loose. And of course, by this time she will be dry and she will be really nice and wavy. She will be like this. And I would just have to just fluff her out. That's all I would have to do to her. Super easy, y'all. Super easy. This hair is like the easiest hair that they have out here. So I done showed you some styles. I done also showed you how to you know, protect her at night before you go to bed, honey. And yes, your J baby got you, okay? So everything is down in the description bar. Check the description bar. Also, I'll be like, hey, my J babies. I'm always saying hello to you guys. So check it out. And I will post some pictures on the gram of some of the styles that I have done. Now, y'all got to know that it's just like styles if you just want to put her up or something. You know what I'm saying? Nice little ponytail, 2 ponytails, or a little bun, or a little, you know, something. Girl, I done thought of a lot of styles, but it's more styles than that you could do with this hair. Okay, baby, so that is the ending of this video. And look at her. She is just showing off and showing out, girl. She is showing off and showing out. Show off and show out, girl. All right, so y'all know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.